and they're off. Toward the outside, it's Weekend Hideaway trying to get to that early lead. Big Business has some speed from the rail. Crafty Dreamer there in the far outside. Bernardo's is forwardly placed. Smooth Bird is there too, and Commandante as well. 2 lengths back, and Prohibition is now running 7th at the inside. Money in Your Pocket is 8th. This Hardland is 9th. Reader Perspective is now running in 10th position, followed by Pinball, who's on the outside. Then over at the rail, Awesome Vision and Zivo. Zivo, the 6-5 favorite, is the last of 13. Down the backstretch they go. The 5 furlongs to go here. First quarter was a lively 22 and 3/5 seconds. And it's Weekend Hideaway who takes the field into the far turn. Crafty Dreamer revving up on the outside. Big Business down on the rail continues to save ground. Right up there, just a half length behind. Commandante now runs along in 4th. Smooth Bird put to a drive 5th. Prohibition making steady progress while saving ground toward the inside. He's 6th, just 3 lengths from the lead. Bernardo is now 7th. And then on the far outside, Money in Your Pocket now runs in 8th position. Zivo is still last, but he's just starting to get some momentum now. But, boy, he's got a lot to do as the field turns for home. Weekend Hideaway off the turn in front. Weekend Hideaway is the leader at the top of the stretch. Big Business is down inside. Prohibition comes off the inside for running room. Then Crafty Dreamer. Zivo on the far outside, Smooth Bird down toward the rail, Weekend Hideaway, and Big Business, who's bounding through on the inside. Oh, Zivo's coming with a flying finish. Here comes Zivo on the outside. Photo finish. Oh, that was miraculous if he got there. Did Zivo get there to nip Big Business? It was very, very close. Weekend Hideaway was 3rd, and this commentator, the second running of it, was a